Multiplying like bases, explained in 2 minutes. When you multiply like bases, the rules are simple. Keep the base the same, and add the exponents together. Let's take a look. In this example, x to the 7th is being multiplied by x to the 4th, so we keep the base of x, and we add the 7 and the 4 to make 11. Again, in this example, 6 to the 3rd times 6 equals 6 to the 4th. Are you wondering where the 4 came from? Well, every number has an exponent. Sometimes you see it, and sometimes you don't. If a number does not have an exponent, it's a 1, and 3 plus 1 makes 4. Sometimes your exponents might be negative. You still compute the same. Negative 4 plus 6 makes 2. Keep the base the same, add the exponents. In this example, when we added 3 plus negative 8, we got an answer of negative 5. And although this is correct, it didn't follow the directions. Our directions said to use positive exponents. So when we got our negative power, we had one more step to go. And if you haven't learned the rule for negative powers, it's to take the reciprocal of the base, flip it over, and make the power positive. Here's a look at the examples we just discussed. Now let's put it all together and try some examples. Pause the video and see if you can write down the correct answers. Don't forget your final response should have positive exponents. Keep the base the same, add the powers. Keep the base the same, add the powers. If your exponent is negative, take the reciprocal and make it positive. The last one, a to the 4th. Sometimes your bases might have coefficients, like this. 3x squared times 4x to the 4th. In this case, we would multiply the coefficients separately. 3 times 4 makes 12, and then we would apply the rule to our like bases. X squared times x to the 4th would give us x to the 6th. Let's try that one more time. Negative 2x to the 3rd times 4x to the 5th. Coefficient times coefficient, negative 8, and exponents plus exponents. And that's all there is to it. Keep the base the same, add the exponents. And that's how you multiply like bases.